Hey everyone! So my name is Annie Wallace and I am a coach. And I'm going to share a little bit about blogging and creating your own website because I'm getting this question a lot all the time. And everyone's asked me, how did you get your anniewallace.com website? How did you start it? How did you create it? I'll start with saying that I just have been, sort of been building this website for the past 3 years. So I actually went to GoDaddy.com and I purchased my domain name, which is Annie Wallace, and that they didn't have that, so I was able to purchase that on GoDaddy.com. And then if you want to buy a WordPress website that they'll help you host, it's like $49 for the entire year. And they give you WordPress blogging built into your website. So it's honestly everything I pretty much learned. I just YouTubed and learned how to build a blog on using my website. So I'm going to show you guys my website, and then I'll give you a couple tips on how to get started, but that's the first way. So let's share this. Now, I'd say about 60 or 50% of the people do find me on Pinterest, and they'll go and refer back to my website, and then they'll link and they'll find me on Facebook because I did purchase this template. So, but when you get a website from GoDaddy, you get a WordPress blog and they give you a template. So you do not have to purchase one. I liked this one and I think I got it for like $60 and I bought it like a year ago. The template means the pink, like the pink background right here. I just liked it. There are many options that you can get for free. So this, you don't have to do that. So I have a little bit about myself. I have my links so people can find me in these different avenues. So Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and this will link them to right to my Facebook page. So what happens is if somebody were to see a pin on Pinterest, then then they might be brought back to my website, and then they would find me on Facebook. Oops. All right, so going back to Annie, I'm going to show you like pretty much. So right in here, they give you like a way to log in. So WP add. And again, somebody from GoDaddy can also walk you through this, and that's sort of what I did. It was just gradual. So, and I YouTubed a lot of the information of how to create things. So the first thing I did was I set up my pages. So I have about me, and then I inserted all the coaching one, and then my posts. This is usually what I just spend updating is my blog. So if you want to add a new post, just hit add posts, and then I will, like I did this 3-day 3 recipe summer recipe, and you just add in the picture, you type the recipe, and then I just hit update, post, and then it posts the blog. So somebody could find this recipe on Pinterest and then link back to my website and then find me on Facebook. The other thing that I found really helpful is this calendar. It's called coschedule.com, and it goes with WordPress, and I just linked it in here. So if I want to sit here for an hour and do blogs for the day, and I don't want to have to worry about like when I'm going to schedule them and when I'm going to post them, I could write all my blogs today in an hour and then be able to schedule them out for next week. So you can see that I already have today is Sunday, and I already have all my blogs scheduled for this whole week. And then I will have that go working on the next week. So that's super easy. All you do is you just click on the calendar. You click on the day you want it on. You hit new blog post, and then you just type in what the blog is going to be. So summer recipes. And then once it updates, it's just going to look like this. You put Annie's blog. I scheduled what time that I want it at. And then I just hit open in WordPress, and then I can start to type my blog, what I want to type. And then on August 25th at 2:15, this is going to post on my website. And then this co-schedule also gives you the options to have it go to other social media links. So you can have that recipe set up so that it's going to post on Instagram, or sorry, Pinterest. Save post, and then it's going to post into Pinterest. So, and I could literally sit here in an hour and probably get done my full week's worth of blogging. But I personally like a blog. I like to write, and I like my blog because it just gives some people a little bit background information about me. And like I said, it didn't happen overnight, but over time I was able to, write some stuff up. And this isn't, if blogging isn't for you, then I probably wouldn't recommend doing it. But I found it pretty easy. Just once I had all the content in here, I was able to just YouTube WordPress, and it showed me how to upload everything. And I have my transformation video on here, so some people can see this. And then if you open it up, like I think I have over 1,000 hits on here, but I've never really shared this video. It's just on my WordPress. It's on my blog, and people will land on it and they'll see it, and then it will link them to the video. So it's pretty cool. And this co-schedule is really cool. So if you are thinking about getting a blog, I recommend it. It's fun. It's a good way to like share your own story, and then you can share that on Facebook. But people ask me about this, so GoDaddy.com, you buy a domain name, you get a website, and then you can get WordPress for the whole year to host your website for $49. And this is just a way where you can start to like build up your posts and your recipes, and people can find you via Pinterest and your blogs. So that's it. Bye, guys.